Someone asked me the other day about how often you should be doing rites. My answer to that would be at least once a week if you don't have time. If you do have time and you're very serious about your practice, you should put together a nightly regime, even a regime for the morning. It would be very beneficial because it will help you to hone all of your abilities. It will help you to basically nourish your astral body. It will help you to nourish your shadow self. It will help you to nourish your vessel. It will help in your practice altogether and transform the way that you go about doing your rites. It will transform the bonds that you have with those spirits that you work with as well, or those deities or the infernals that you work with as well. It'll give you the ability to truly have a connection with them, to truly hear them, to truly see them. A really good example of that for people who always ask me, how can I see them? How can I work more with manifesting them? Utilizing methods that involve candle gazing, utilizing methods that call, excuse me, utilizing methods that might require you to gaze into bowls of water, cups of wine, divining with your own blood. There are a crazy assortment of different ways that you can utilize that ability. You have the ability of your clairaudience as well in practicing your telepathic ability. See, when it comes down to those kind of things, that really just involves you connecting with the spirits. If you have a nightly rite in which you're connecting with them and you're talking to them, you're going to understand how to strengthen that, because the more that you do it, the stronger that ability will be. That goes for every single one of your psychic abilities. Exercising them will make them stronger, just like exercising your body will make you stronger. It will build muscle. It will give you results. It will help your stamina. Well, your nightly, daily, weekly rituals will help to build your stamina within your means of being possessed, your means of channeling information, your means of evoking spirits to materialization. There's all sorts of different things that you can use this stuff for, but the point that I'm trying to get across is that it will be extremely beneficial to have a daily practice. My answer to that question that this person asked me would be, having a daily practice should be something that you put together and you practice as much as you can every night, every morning if you have that time. As I've said, this will give you those results that you're looking for. Every single one of you will get the results that you're looking for if you go about your practice in that way, putting as much time as you possibly can into it, as much of your energy as you possibly can into it, as much of your intent as you possibly can into it, and paying attention and seeing it through to the end. That's what's going to get you those results. That is what's going to benefit you in the long run. That is what will prepare you for your future endeavors with different spirits that you may end up discovering. You'll be able to understand them. You'll be able to actually understand whether or not you're connecting with someone or something versus your ego. Practicing with your abilities can very much so help with getting your ego under control. And that's something that is extremely important. Seriously, because there are too many people who walk around letting their ego become more and more inflated as people talk to them and make them feel as if they are better than what they actually are. I hope this video finds all of you well. As always,